Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Today I want to show you just how to make this really super quick and easy gift card holder. I've got one of my business cards in there, but it will fit a gift card or a prepaid credit card, something like that. Okay, so it really can't be much easier than this. I have used the Stitch So Sweetly dies, and it's the largest one that I have used, and I've used the two smaller little ones for decoration. The For You is from the Brew Some Fun stamp set, lovely little stamp set that has a birthday greeting, a thanks, and lots of lovely little images, as well as the Let's Brew Up Some Fun. So this one was Evening Evergreen. I'm going to change that up and used Polish Pink for this one. I've already got bits that I will need, so I'm going to first of all do the stamping, and then I can just do all of the die cutting at once. I've already mounted up that little For You stamp with polished pink ink onto basic white, and then I can just add that on, and that's ready to die cut that. I want to die cut that piece as well, and I need to die cut the card for the back and the designer series paper for the front. So I'm going to stick with the same design on there. The pieces I need to cut are small enough to go into my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss. So I'll do the sentiment pieces first. There we go. Clunk. And just put them to the side for now. And I'll do the card. Pass that through. Sorry, I'll be making my camera shake like nothing else on earth, eh? Right, and for the designer series paper, I just want to try and get that pattern straight. Try again, getting that pattern straight. Pop it on. There we go. And put that one through. Now, obviously, I've cut two pieces that are the same. So it's not very great for getting the card in and out. So you'll see that I've cut this one down. So I need to do the same with this piece of designer series paper. I'm just lining up that scalloped edge roughly where I want it to be. And what did I do with my washi tape? It's still on this die. Bear with me a second. because I can't find the roll. So I'll just reuse this piece, line up that edge, and I just want to die cut the top bit there, so I'm not going to put it all the way through. I'm just going to put it through so I can hear and feel the clunk where it went over it, and then just take it back again like so. And there you go. Lovely. So next bit is just to add some glue, and I am using Stampin' Up liquid glue, the multi-purpose liquid glue, but I've just decanted it into a small bottle. Oops, a daisy. Just to make my life a little bit easier, to get a thin piece of glue just on 3 sides there, and then match that up at the bottom like so. And before it dries, I'm going to pop in that card and just make sure there's plenty of room for it to slide it in and out on there. Now I've taken, on that one, I took it down an extra scallop or 2, is it? Yeah. But I felt it kind of showed too much of the gift card, so I've adjusted it and not taken off quite so much of the designer series paper when I die cut it the second time. Totally up to you which way you want to do it. I've got some of the ribbon that I want to add on, and I'm just going to use a little bit of tear and tape in the centre there. Take the backing off, add my ribbon on, wind that round and back to meet up, and just take my snips and chop that excess off. So I'm going to cover the join with the sentiment that I stamped, the For You. I'm just going to add that to the centre of this one. And just trying to line up those pieces there. Never very good at these. There we go. And then I'm going to pop that on with some dimensionals. And I'm going to just add some little ones actually, just to balance that, because there's no point in putting them over the, onto the ribbon, because they don't stick very well. So I'm just putting it over the ribbon like that. Final touch is to add some little gems, and I'm using the In Colour jewels. Grab my Take Your Pick, and I'll put on a combination of large ones and smaller ones. Like that. And there you go. Super quick and easy, but lovely little project, just to give a gift card. Slide in, nice and easy. You can pop it in an envelope with their birthday card or whatever greetings card you're giving them as well. I hope you've enjoyed this project. If you have, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. That'd be fabulous. If you're new to my channel, then please do click on the subscribe button. And if you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up products that I've used and you live in the UK, click on the description bar below and you'll get the links to my blog and the links to my shop. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.